Hi guys, what I'm going to do today is make some zucchini. It's an Italian style. My mother used to make it all the time. I make it, and summer when you have a lot of zucchini is the perfect time to make it. You can do it with other vegetables too. We've done it eggplants and things and other squashes, but zucchini is the best. So anyway, I'm going to slice up 3 medium to large size onions. I usually do it by eye, so 3, 4, we're going to saute them until they're translucent so we can get these ready, get them on, and then just cut our zucchini. So let me just peel off that stuff. Okay, and then I'm going to cut them rather large. I mean, you don't, you kind of leave them in like that. Okay, and then they're going to separate. Oops. Onion skin on me. Okay, so I have the onions sauteing on the stove. So I have the onions sauteing on the stove, and now I'm going to cut the zucchini. I'm going to leave the skin on. I'm just going to cut it like that. Got quite a few zucchini. We're also going to use fresh mint leaves. I love this stuff. I can eat it as a meal. It's a great vegetarian meal if you're a vegetarian. But we are going to also have scallops tonight. And brown rice. Oops. So you see, I mean, there's like a good amount of zucchini here. I've got, what, 5, 6, 7 of various sizes. This is my biggest one. And my last one is a small zucchini. Add a little black pepper and I don't cook with salt, so if you want, you can add a pinch. These nice large strips of onion. Alright, so I'm going to go grab some mint leaves.
What?
Talking to the people, Jimmy.
Hi, people.
I'm going to go grab some mint leaves. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, it's wet out there. Pouring rain. Thanks, Casbat, for sending that over to us. There was my bike ride. Okay, I'm ready to start adding the zucchini. So, I also have some, the zucchini is going to release water. I have fresh mint leaves that I'm going to put in there. I'm also going to put a small can of just tomato sauce, one of those little cans. I'm going to load this up. It will cook down. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper as I load in. I'm going to get my tomato sauce because I don't want anything to burn. And so I'll just add some tomato sauce in there. And I'm going to add a tiny bit of water just to clear the can out. And I'll use a quarter of that small can. Okay, I'm going to get the rest of the zucchini in here. I'm going to put these two. Longer than it. Let me get this on like a simmer. Okay, I don't want it too high. Put the rest of our zucchini in here carefully. I'm going to wash these little pieces. And add a little bit more pepper on top. And I'm going to add a little bit of granulated garlic.
It's garlic powder. But it's the effect stuff.
What happened to the other thing?
The big one?
The granulated garlic.
That's gone. That's granulated garlic. Same thing.
So I'm just add a little bit of granulated garlic in there. And I'm going to put a cover on it and let it cook down. Simmer. Okay. There's enough liquid you can see. The zucchini is going to release the water. And as soon as I get the cover on, that's going to come. So I'll come back and show you what that's like. So you see it's cooking down now. Well, I may add 1 small can of tomato sauce again. I don't know. I may not. Depends. But probably not. That'll cook down pretty well. Alright, and that's about it. Then it'll be done and you can serve it. That wasn't on. Hold on. Okay guys, so it's done. I did add the other can of tomato sauce. It's cooked up really nice. I can serve it with a little bit of grated cheese on it, and it's delicious. I hope you try it.